Today I'll be telling you how to play Roblox on iPad while listening to music. So you have to first of all guys open Roblox app, and also you can start play your music in the background. So first of all I'll play music in Chrome browser. So now this is the music guys I'm listening, and you just need to guys go to home page, home, and play the music from here. Make sure the music must be shown here before going to home page. So now you can see that the music can be seen in the notification here. Go to home page and play the music from here. Now once you have shown that the music can be shown here, you just need to open any Roblox game. I'll show you. I'll open this game guys. Please donate. And the music is already running in the background. Now you can see that I can play the game, and also the music is playing in the background as well. So just follow the same steps. If you skip any step in between, your music won't be appear in the background or won't be play in the background. So yeah, I hope you like it. This steps can be followed on iPhone, iPad, or any device. So that's how it works. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.